I don't want to see down. I don't want to see down. What? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to wish all the Emirates a happy 47th National Day. Yes, it's National Day, everyone. So today, it's a very special day in UAE. Everyone who's living here in UAE, they will have the best time today. The reason why I'm saying is because there'll be a lot of celebration, lot of events, lot of fireworks, lot of this, lot of that. So United Arab Emirates, happy National Day 47th. Yes, so today we are going to watch the fireworks at JBR walk with my family, and I am going to my sister's place to spend the time for a while, and after that we will be at the JBR walk. So I wish you stay with us till the end of this vlog, and let's watch the most amazing fireworks in UAE, that too in Dubai, in JBR. So enjoy the vlog. Once again, happy National Day to all the Emiratis around the globe.
You might be the one taking me home. One thing really do want. See that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? We both feel the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go. I don't care what you say, it's true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you.
So we have decided not to take the car to JBR. The reason is because, as you guys, exactly, it's going to be very packed, and it's going to be extreme tough for us to drive. So we are going to drop the car at Dubai Marina, and then from there we're going to take the tram. By the way, this is the first time me and my wife we're going to go on the tram. So super excited. I hope it works too, because it's National Day. Let's celebrate the National Day of United Arab Emirates. Ta-da! So we are right now in JBR. Marina. The best thing I love in Marina is you'll find a lot of sports cars, the best cars in UAE, and the best bikes. So I hope I can share with you guys something. So let's see if it's on the road. Look at this view. Ta-da! This is the best view. I love landmark groups. That is Dubai Marina. What is it? Walk. Yeah. And that is the golf course.
Number 3.
Yeah, so this one.
From Marina.
Bus tour sightseeing. See this car, Adi, see this car. I don't think that's a restaurant. It is? Actually, one is eating some spaghetti. But nice, huh?
Day to watch the fireworks.
Oh, New Year's is crazy to see.
JBR. We are going in this now. Wow. Shit.
Oh, we can see the map from here.
I don't want to sit down.
It's a sad thing. They have the thing beneath them. We have nothing. They have the thing going around.
I don't want to sit down. I don't want to sit down. I don't want to sit down. What? This is my first experience, Adi. I'm not even looking down, you know. I'm scared. If I look down, I'm shitting.
Listen, my son says, drop it, drop it. You ignored him and he said, drop it.
You broke the iPhone 8 Plus?
Go on. Go on.
This is the best experience I had in Dubai. One of the best experience, right? Oh. Huh? You have to check out this place. The Flying Cup. Chilies.
Chicken cousin salad. Weird flex, but okay.
Bye bye. You want? You like the food?
Yeah, it was nice.
You want also like the food?
Yes, he ate garlic bread.
What's this? Chilies. Now it's time to head back home and celebrate
Oh my god.
my boy's birthday. Happy birthday, Aditya.
Thank you, thank you.
Next time we should rent the bikes. Marina towel. If I would have. Happy birthday, Aditya! So today was a very good and a beautiful day. Basically we enjoyed the National Day, and the best part was the Flying Cup, which it was my first experience in Dubai Marina. It was a beautiful day with my family and my sister's children.
It was in JBR, not the
In JBR, sorry. Which one?
The flying crossing.
It was in JBR? So guys, we are back home. It's 2:30 a.m. which is on Monday. The National Day was awesome. We had a beautiful time at JBR beach watching the fireworks, and this fireworks was going on for a very long time, and after that we saw this new thing which is called the Flying Cup, and we wanted to know what's happening in this, and we found people on top and it was rolling. I mean it was turning, and we just wanted to know what this Flying Cup was all about. Then my sister's kids wanted to explore it, so I joined with them, and this was my first experience going on this sort of, and I had a really good time. By the way, this ticket is around 80 dirhams per person for the Flying Cup, and they will serve you Coke and popcorn, or water and popcorn only, and you will be on air for 15 minutes. It'll just go up for 15 minutes and be back down. So it's a good experience. You can see the entire JBR, the Dubai Eye, the entire JBR in fact, and we had a really nice time, me, my family, my sister's family. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It's time for me to edit the vlog. Hopefully at 5 a.m. it should be officially in YouTube. So I'm super excited. Yes, and last but not the least, it's my nephew's birthday, Aditya, my sister's son. So we had a beautiful time as well there, and I wish him all the best and happy birthday once again, Adi. I'm sure you're watching this vlog, and I will see you next year wherever you're on this world. So thank you so much guys for watching, and who is new to my channel, please do subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you in the next travel vlog. Till then, do whatever you wanna do. Happy 47th National Day to all the Emiratis around the globe. Stay blessed and have a beautiful night. It's actually good morning, so have a good morning. Peace.